Welcome to Project Management Network. Today we talk about topic Project Management Perspective of Civil Engineering. And I'm very pleased to stand here and to interview you, Jason. And very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Jason, can you have a short introduction about yourself and your experience?
Yeah, okay. As for me, I did a bachelor degree of engineering in China, and I came here 3 years ago. I enrolled a master degree of civil and structural engineering, and I achieved high academic results. And after that, I joined a company and involved over 2 billion hospital project in Adelaide.
Wow, yeah, I think that's very huge project, very big project. From your perspective, what do you think is the most difficult task of the project you have been done?
I think from my experience, it's no big difficult task in construction industry.
Yeah.
So the most important thing that people need to be aware of is the due date, because there are a lot of many things going on, and you need to deal with different things and communicate with different contractors. So it's very important to communicate with the contractors, project managers, and other stakeholders to combine all the information and manage together and make sure you meet up with all the schedule and just keep up the pace of the progress.
I agree with you, but how can you and team member deal with the conflicts related to the different between the stakeholder perspective, for example, the director board for local community or just some staff in the company?
Yeah, okay. From my experience as a stakeholder or like shareholder, they are up level. So normally the senior project manager who deal with these kind of things. So the first step in the construction industry, as for me as a site engineer, so normally we just deal with very specific tasks, like to deal with, we have a specific task from our project managers.
Yeah.
So actually we didn't really deal with the conflicts of stakeholders.
Stakeholder. So also we think about the project team member. So from the point of view, what do you think the most, what skill that are more important for project manager when they, manage the project?
From my view, the most important skill for a project manager is the communication skills. So the way how the project manager communicate decides how good is a project manager. So so a good project manager should communicate effective with his team or with the stakeholders, and also he needed to provide a very comfortable environment to the engineers and to the other workers in this project, so make them work efficiently. So that all belong to the key is the communication.
Communication.
Yeah.
I think. And also we think about a lot of communication skill, but do you have any advice, for young engineer when they prepare to graduate university and they want to work for construction projects?
Yeah. I have some advice for some young engineers. If they are in the university, the best suggestion is keep up all of the course and get a mark as high as possible. So that's the door to get a good job and to involve big construction companies. And if you become a young engineer, and the key, the very important part is to learn how to communicate with different people, like different contractors, and also with your boss and other colleagues. So communication is always the most important in construction company.
Thank you very much. I think it's very useful for young engineer, and you can know about how can you set up for their career in the future. Again, thank you very much, and we hope to collaborate with you in the future.
Thank you.